Take a ride in the 2019 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, driver illuminated vanity mirror, remote trunk release. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.